Hi, I am Charles. This video will talk about insert VLOOKUP formula. Let's get started. VLOOKUP is used to look up data that were arranged horizontally in columns. Now, this is the source data used for the VLOOKUP. For convenience, I have created a data validation list and its source data is from column B. First, click on a cell. Then click on the Formulas tab. Next, click on Lookup and Reference. A drop-down menu will appear. Click to select VLOOKUP. The function arguments pop-up window will appear. Type the lookup value in this box. For this scenario, I will type product_lookup. You will ask what product_lookup is. Product_lookup is the range name created for cell G20. Next, click in the table array box. And then click and drag to select the source data. Remember, the data must be organized in adjacent columns and rows. Type the column index number into this box. For this scenario, I will type 2 because the data that I wish to retrieve are on column 2. If you are not clear about which column number, you can check the data for table array. Next, type false in this box if the data in the first column are not in alphabetical order. If the data in the first column are arranged in ascending order, then type true in this box. Then click OK. Now, this is the final formula. Click to select pineapple. And the quantity value will automatically display in the cell I-20. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoy this video and have learned something today. Thanks for watching.